Welcome to this demo of Axolt Logistics. Today, we'll show you how inbound and outbound shipping run seamlessly inside Salesforce, covering purchase order receiving, stocking, and quality checks on the inbound side, and picking, packing, shipping, and tracking on the outbound side. We'll also show you how different product types, normal, lot tracked, and serialized, are managed seamlessly across these operations. Let's begin with inbound logistics. Whenever purchase orders are ready to be received, they automatically appear here in the inbound logistics screen. This is where your receiving team can handle different types of products in one streamlined flow. For a normal product, like a desktop, the process is simple. Once received, it gets directly stocked into the inventory without any additional steps. For a lot-tracked product, LED tubes 12 watts. While receiving, the system prompts us to select a batch in which the stocks can be received. This ensures that every unit of stock is properly categorized for compliance and traceability. For serialized products, like the Fluke Multimeter, here, the system allows us to generate serial numbers automatically, just by entering a prefix and a starting number. For this product, we've also enabled a quality check step. As each unit is received, we can perform the quality check on it, and only the items that pass the quality check are added to our inventory, ensuring accuracy and reliability in stock management. Now that we've stocked our products, let's move on to outbound logistics, where customer orders are fulfilled. When a sales order is marked as ready to pick and pack, an outbound logistics record is created automatically. From here, we can manage the full journey of picking, packing, and shipping, all in one place. Let's start with picking. For a normal product, like the desktop, we simply confirm the quantity to pick. For lot-tracked products, like the LED tubes, we choose the batch and the quantity to pick from it. And for serialized products, such as the Fluke Multimeter, a dedicated selection screen shows all available serial numbers of that product. We can easily select the exact serials needed for this order. Once picking is complete, we move to packing. Here, we create packages by entering details such as shipment type, package dimensions, package weight, and all other necessary details. Then, we select which items should be placed inside each package. With just a few clicks, the package is created and ready to ship. Finally, we move to initiating the shipments. At this stage, we verify all the shipping details, like from and to addresses. We can fetch real-time courier rates, compare options, and choose the best service for our customers. Once confirmed, the shipment is initiated, a shipping label is generated, and we can get the live tracking of shipment right inside Salesforce. This gives both you and your customers complete visibility of the delivery process. Axolt Logistics helps you save time, reduce errors, and deliver a seamless experience to your customers.